One of the benefits of Long Hair FUE is the preview of your final results. Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, where we perform Long Hair FUE. Whenever you have hair transplanted from the back of the head to a balding area, the follicle will go into what is called a shedding phase. And the follicle doesn't shed, but the hair within the follicle sheds because the stem cells, once they're moved, go into a dormant phase, and that phase lasts about 3 months. So people would ask, why would I invest in a long hair FUE procedure if the hair is going to shed anyway? And there are a lot of reasons, even though the hair is going to shed. First of all, it is the most accurate way of doing hair transplant because we can utilize the curl, create the density, and create everything on the fly and have near final results at the time of the procedure. Secondly, I can work with you as the patient where you're holding a mirror and you can say, I love it, or can you add a little bit more density here, or I don't like the way the hairline is. We can change things with a final look, and again, the accuracy is unbelievable. And third is the concealment. Concealment is key for people. People do not just go on the web and just freely say, oh, I just had a hair transplant. They want to keep this quiet. And doing a long hair FUE procedure provides the maximal concealment both for the donor site and for the recipient site. Those three things are massive in context of, say, having your head shaved and then having all these little dots and scabs where they're going to go dormant and then take 6 to 12 months to really get final results. You are leaving the office with near final results. And there is a portion of patients that actually don't get shedding. And if you're one of those lucky folks, you will have actual final results at the time of leaving the procedure. Give us a call at 678-845-7521 or visit our website at nahairrestoration.com.